In this short video, we are going to fix something about the image for the channel when I create a new user like this form now. If I click on register and go to my channel name, then I see this picture, which is, for example, I did not update my channel image, but although it's not going to the default, I should keep something as default. So if I go to the code, you know that I'll inside the images under the public CSS images, I'm going to upload or copy one image, which is I just downloaded from the internet. I call it channel default. I'll just copy it here. Then what I will do inside the code, this is basically under the channel. If you go to the views, okay, let's go to the views, channel and index page, this page, and here is where we are just putting this image. Now we can do something here. Maybe you can keep it on inside the model to bring the image. If it's not, for example, it's not uploaded, we can pull the default. So what I will do, I'll copy this code, or maybe, you know, something we did for the video. If you remember, for get a thumb attribute, we can get something like this. We can go to the channel, and then inside the channel we can keep this model, which is we can keep it, for example, get image or picture, so we can make it different. So if this dot image, if the image is there, then what I'm going to keep, basically this will be images, and this dot concatenate with this dot image. This is the column name inside the table or the channels table. Otherwise I will bring this, and the default, basically the one which is I just uploaded, it's channel dash default.png. Then so get picture attribute is there. Then inside my what we call it, the index, what I'm going to do instead of this one is I just call the channel, and then, for example, picture. And we can do whatever place we use the image, we can do the same. So let's go now and see now after I'll go update this one, okay, and refresh, and there is expecting error in blade index. Okay, this might be something wrong inside the code. Okay, so this is the column or the parentheses. I just remove it, and let's go back again on this file and just refresh it, and here we go. Of course we need to do some, maybe, you know, styling here. We can say, for example, height as well, or width 130 pixel, and see how it will go. Okay, again go to this one, the first one, just refresh, and here we go. And you can play with it. And then if I go and change this one now to different, like this image, for example, and just upload it and go back, so I have the new image uploaded. So this is quick fix for that issue.